In the great Pacific Northwest, tucked in between the trees and the mountains, lies a mecca for off-road racing. It's called Dirtfish, and it's among the best rally driving schools on the planet, teaching the art of driving real-world cars really fast on real roads. With over 300 acres of property to play on and a massive shop to keep everything running, Dirtfish is an amazing place to hone your rally skills, or to develop those you maybe never had in the first place.
Back lift, toe.
I've wanted to do a rally school for ages, and when it finally came time to pull the trigger, Dirtfish's 3-day all-wheel drive course was an easy choice. I went with the all-wheel drive school because the course is run entirely in rally prepped Subaru WRX STIs, newer but similar to the one that I ice race in myself. And while the two motorsport disciplines are rather different, I was hoping to pick up a few new low-grip driving tricks that I could try out on the lake next year. Over the 3 days of the course, almost all of which is spent in cars and on the dirt, we started with basic stuff like low-speed slaloms and single, simple corners. On day 2, we started linking it together on a short rallycross style course, practicing more advanced techniques like pendulum turns to help rotate the car. At the end of day 3 came the final test, a run at speed through a course called the Wedge, where on days 1 and 2 the only thing I had to worry about were cones. Here I'm running through the trees at speed with an instructor playing the role of co-driver and barking instructions in my ear telling me what's to come around the next bend. 3 days of training came down to this moment, so buckle up and enjoy the ride.
And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right 6, 40. Right 4, opens, then tightens to 2, don't cut. Here's your tightens 2, don't cut. Into kinks. And to left 5 short and a right 4 short, 50. Right 3. 150. Coming up. Left 2, going up the hill. 30, hairpin right. And left 2. Nicely done on the slalom. Coming up at the end, left 2 into right 2 long. Into left 4 long, keep left. Caution, slow left 4 on the tarmac. 100, crest on the gravel, keep it going. Left 2 into right 2. Into left 4 short. To right 2 on the tarmac. 20 on the gravel. And right 3 into left 2. 3 into left 2. Back on power, 50, left 2 and a right 1 on the tarmac. Right 1. Go for it, hammer down. Nice, 120. Right 3. And left 4 on the gravel. 30. Right 2, opens the 6, long on the tarmac. Back on the gravel, and left 3 long. Opens on the tarmac, 30. Right 2 opens, 70. Left 3 on a gravel, 50. Right 4, into left 2 tightens. So your 2 tightens, and to right 2 on the slalom. There you go. Push, push, push. And right 2, and to left 1. And right 2 down the hill. 150. At the end, double caution, left 3 narrows. 40. Left 4 short and right 2 short. Kinks into left 3, open, tightens 4. Opens and tightens 4, 30 over finish.
Oh, boy.
There it is.
Yeah, how'd that feel? How'd it look?
That was fantastic.
Awesome.
Nailed all of that stuff over there, spot on. That's it. That's what it's made of.
Thank you so much. That was such a rush. I'm glad my brakes came back.
Yeah, that's useful.